मेरे को जेल में डाल दिया। मैं सोच रहा था मेरी गलती क्या है, मेरे को क्यों जेल में डाला। छोटा सा आदमी हूँ, छोटी सी हमारी पार्टी है, 2 राज्यों में, दिल्ली में, पंजाब में, ये तो इतने बड़े लोग।
Can Arvind Kejriwal make a difference to the India Alliance's campaign in the remaining 4 phases of the polls? That is the question haunting India supporters. There is no denying Kejriwal's popularity and his temerity to take on the BJP, yet isn't it a bit too late? The timing of Kejriwal's arrest raised several pertinent questions. Was it all planned by the NDA using its prowess over the probe agencies? Diganta Guha tries to delve deep. In terms of Delhi Chief Minister's aggression, only his West Bengal counterpart Mamata Banerjee comes close. Not even Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who despite his yatras still lacks that punch and is a bit on the back foot after his decision not to contest from Amethi. Secondly, Sam Pitroda's remarks on inheritance tax and racism have further queered the pitch for Rahul and Congress. Thirdly, Mamata too has a lot to answer post allegations of graft against her party loyalists and ministers. Given this scenario, Kejriwal from Aam Aadmi Party, who was in jail in the alleged involvement in the liquor scam, is left to do the damage control. Or in other words, he has to bell the cat. Not that Mamata and Rahul have been timid in their approach, but questions and counter-questions do put them on a sticky wicket. Kejriwal has been invincible after getting an interim bail of 50 days, and he has lambasted the BJP over dictatorship, authoritarianism and others. He has questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi's duration at the helm over his age and predicted that Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath will be removed from the post. In one sense, in spite of stating that NDA wouldn't retain power, he, in other sense, has endorsed the possibility of a third tenure of Modi. This should dampen the agility of the opposition, which can downgrade its impetus to fight on. Kejriwal has not minced words for sure, but at the same time his faux pas could give an ammunition to the BJP to encash it and use it to the hilt. This certainly doesn't behoove a national leader of his stature. However, he still has time in hand, and not only Aam Aadmi Party but also its allies will try to extract as much as they can using his charisma. Despite all the allegations, the IIT alumnus has the ability to draw crowd, and his visit to the Hanuman temple after returning from jail takes a bit of punch off BJP's stringent Hindutva ideology. But a lot needs to be done. Merely blaming the BJP for injustice won't work. He has to defend the alliance against the barbs hurled at him by Modi and team. This means he needs to up the ante and step on the gas. A political expert who refused to be quoted said, "It will be an uphill task for him to stem the rot within such a limited period." He needs to hit the pertinent issues so as to make a difference. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has already taken pot shots at him over the age issue and said there is no such structure in the Saffron Party's constitution that entails upon a person to retire after he reaches 75. Apart from that, Kejriwal will face flake from his foe over his alleged involvement in the liquor scam that can put a spanner in his moves. So to say that Kejriwal will be India's savior would not be a foregone conclusion. Over to Kejriwal, as the whole nation would be keeping a watch on his moves in the larger interest of usurping a communal dispensation if at all they wish to. The Aam Aadmi Party Supremo himself knows what it takes to challenge the powerful duo of Modi and Shah, as the latter are in power and have control over official bodies. Hence, he needs to have a method to madness or audacity to make the cut.